Best running shoes. Are you looking for the best running shoes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best running shoes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brooks Ghost 16. The Brooks Men's Ghost 16 neutral running shoe is designed for runners seeking a smooth, responsive, and cushioned ride. A continuation of the highly popular Ghost series, the Ghost 16 refines comfort and performance with thoughtful updates while retaining the signature feel that longtime fans appreciate. At the heart of the Ghost 16 is DNA Loft V3 cushioning, a nitrogen-infused midsole foam that delivers soft landings without sacrificing responsiveness or durability. This upgrade ensures each stride feels smooth and stable, making the shoe ideal for daily runs, long-distance training, or casual jogs. The cushioning is lightweight and helps reduce impact on joints, offering support for neutral runners who do not require additional motion control. The upper features a breathable engineered mesh, redesigned for an improved fit and better airflow. It comfortably hugs the foot while maintaining structure and flexibility where needed. Brooks also focuses on sustainability, using more recycled materials in the upper construction without compromising performance or durability. A key strength of the Ghost 16 is its versatility. Whether on pavement, treadmill, or light trails, the outsole provides reliable traction and durability with a segmented crash pad design that promotes smooth heel-to-toe transitions. The shoe fits true to size and accommodates various foot shapes with a roomy toe box and secure heel fit. Ideal for neutral runners, the Brooks Ghost 16 is a dependable choice for those who prioritize comfort, consistency, and quality in their running footwear. It's especially appealing to runners who value a plush feel without excessive bulk. Whether you're logging miles for a marathon or enjoying a casual run around the neighborhood, the Ghost 16 delivers the performance and comfort expected from one of Brooks' best-selling models. Number 2. Sakuni Triumph 22. The Saucony Men's Triumph 22 is a premium max cushion running shoe designed for runners who prioritize comfort, support, and long-distance performance. As the latest iteration in Saucony's popular Triumph line, the Triumph 22 introduces several key updates that elevate the running experience. At the heart of the Triumph 22 is the brand new Purin PB midsole foam, which replaces the previous Purin Plus material. This upgrade offers a noticeably lighter, bouncier, and more responsive ride while maintaining the plush cushioning that the Triumph series is known for. The result is a shoe that feels energetic on foot without sacrificing comfort, ideal for long runs or daily training. The upper has also been redesigned with a soft engineered mesh that provides excellent breathability and a secure fit. A new adaptive lacing system and padded tongue add to the comfort, ensuring that your foot stays locked in without pressure points. The heel collar is well cushioned and supportive, enhancing stability and comfort during transitions. Underfoot, the XT900 rubber outsole delivers reliable traction and durability, even after many miles. Despite the plush cushioning, the Triumph 22 maintains a relatively smooth and efficient toe-off, thanks to its refined geometry and slight rocker shape. Weighing around 9.7 ounces, men's, with a drop of 10 mm, the Triumph 22 suits neutral runners looking for a dependable daily trainer or recovery day shoe. Whether you're logging your first 5K or training for a marathon, the Triumph 22 offers a luxurious ride that keeps legs feeling fresher for longer. In summary, the Saucony Triumph 22 is a standout choice for runners seeking maximum cushioning, improved energy return, and all-day comfort in a durable, well-built shoe. Number 3. Reebok Floatride Energy 6. The Reebok Women's Floatride Energy 6 sneaker is a versatile and well-balanced running shoe designed for both daily runs and casual wear. Known for its lightweight feel and responsive cushioning, the Floatride Energy 6 continues Reebok's legacy of creating performance-oriented sneakers with a clean, modern design. At the core of this shoe is Floatride Energy Foam, a midsole technology that delivers a smooth and springy ride. It strikes a great balance between cushioning and responsiveness, making it suitable for long distances as well as tempo runs. The shoe feels light underfoot without sacrificing support, helping reduce fatigue during extended wear. The upper features a breathable mesh construction that enhances airflow, keeping your feet cool and comfortable throughout your workout or daily routine. Reebok has made updates in the heel and tongue area, adding padding and structure to improve fit and prevent slippage. A secure lace-up system and an improved heel clip provide extra stability, especially during lateral movements or changes in pace. On the outsole, carbon rubber coverage in key zones adds durability and grip, allowing for reliable traction on roads and light trails. This makes the Floatride Energy 6 not just a good running shoe, but also a practical choice for walking, gym sessions, or all-day wear. Weighing approximately 7.5 ounces, this shoe is remarkably light for the amount of cushioning it offers. It also features a neutral support profile, making it ideal for runners with a normal gait who don't need extra motion control. Overall, the Reebok Women's Floatride Energy 6 sneaker is an excellent option for those seeking a dependable, comfortable, and affordable running shoe. Whether you're training for your next 5K or looking for an everyday sneaker, the Floatride Energy 6 blends performance, comfort, and style effortlessly. Number 4. New Balance FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3. The New Balance Men's FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3 is a high-performance running shoe designed to help serious runners maximize speed and energy return during training. Packed with advanced features, the V3 continues New Balance's legacy of innovation and comfort, offering a smooth, responsive ride for both tempo runs and long-distance training. At the heart of the shoe is the FuelCell midsole, which provides one of the brand's most energetic foam formulations. It delivers a soft yet propulsive feel underfoot, giving runners a bouncy, forward-driving sensation with each step. The full-length Energy Arc carbon plate embedded in the midsole enhances energy return and stability while promoting more efficient transitions. This plate, combined with the sculpted geometry, helps reduce fatigue on longer runs. The engineered knit upper is lightweight and breathable, offering a sock-like fit that adapts comfortably to the foot while allowing airflow to keep your feet cool. It features minimal overlays for reduced weight and a sleek, modern aesthetic. A padded heel collar and secure lacing system contribute to a snug, locked-in fit, preventing slippage without sacrificing comfort. Underneath, the outsole provides durable rubber coverage in high-wear areas for added traction and longevity. Despite being a cushioned, high-stack trainer, the SuperComp Trainer V3 feels surprisingly nimble thanks to its well-balanced weight distribution and rocker design. This shoe is ideal for runners looking to simulate race day performance during training sessions. It is particularly well-suited for marathoners or anyone training at high mileage who still wants a fast, efficient feel underfoot. In summary, the New Balance FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3 blends cutting-edge performance technology with premium comfort and stability, making it a top choice for dedicated runners who want to train with purpose and power. Number 5. Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 3 Running Shoe. The Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 3 is a top-tier racing shoe designed for elite runners chasing personal bests and podium finishes. As the latest evolution in Adidas' marathon-focused Adizero line, the Adios Pro 3 builds upon the success of its predecessors with refined technologies for improved energy return, stability, and comfort over long distances. At the heart of the Adios Pro 3 is its dual-layer Lightstrike Pro midsole, engineered for maximum responsiveness and cushioning. Embedded within the midsole are carbon-infused energy rods 2.0, which mimic the metatarsal bones of the foot to provide a snappy toe-off while maintaining a natural running motion. This design helps reduce energy loss and enhances propulsion with every stride. The outsole features continental rubber for dependable grip in both wet and dry conditions. Meanwhile, the redesigned upper is made of ultra-light, breathable Cellar Mesh 2.0, offering a snug and race-ready fit without compromising ventilation or weight. Strategically reinforced areas offer additional support during high-speed efforts, especially during cornering or late race fatigue. Weighing approximately 7.6 ounces, 215g for men's size 9, the Adios Pro 3 strikes an ideal balance between lightweight performance and structured support. The 6.5mm heel-to-toe drop complements the rocker-shaped sole, encouraging forward momentum and a smooth transition throughout the gait cycle. This shoe is engineered for serious runners competing in half marathons and full marathons, though it's also a popular choice for tempo runs and intervals among elite athletes. Whether you're chasing a Boston qualifier or a new marathon PR, the Adizero Adios Pro 3 offers the performance edge needed to push the limits. In summary, the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 3 delivers a powerful combination of propulsion, lightweight agility, and race day comfort, making it one of the top carbon-plated racing shoes available today.